Today, let me show you how to make Moong Dal Halwa in just 5 to 8 minutes. It is very easy.
For 1 katori of premix, we need 1 katori of water. Premix to water ratio is 1:1.
Take a heavy bottom pan and add the water. Let the bottom come to a rolling boil. Once the water is boiling, add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Now slowly add the Moong Dal Halwa premix. Keep stirring so there are no lumps.
Cook on medium to high flame for about 1 minute. Stir well till everything mixes properly.
Now reduce the flame. Don't keep it on high for more than a minute, else it will burn.
You can add chopped cashew nuts or pumpkin seeds or almonds to garnish. Serve hot and enjoy.
Simple, rich, and homemade. That's how easy it is to make Moong Dal Halwa with KleverEats. Visit Kleverfarms.com or KleverEats.com to explore more.